Hey guys, I'm Marta Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of another budget watch that was sent to me so I can try it out and make a video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing in this video. Now this of course is from RunMeFit. This is the Watch 4. I already did upload a video for this one right here, which I told you guys that I'm going to be testing this for at least a week. And I actually been using it for more than a week. So almost 2 weeks already. And this is how the packaging looks, right? Is the Watch 4 over here, GTS 10 as well. For some reason it says also GTS 10 when you look at it online. It's going to take this out, and here you go. Of course, one of the reasons why I did accept to do a video for this, because I've been wanting also to try a watch that is squarish or rectangular, because all the watches that I have, like the Pixel and the Galaxy watches, they're all rounded, and plus this one as well is also rounded. So I did want to try a rectangle or squarish watch, so that's one of the reasons why I also accepted it. So you got instruction manuals right there, and you have your charging cable over here. I'm gonna take this out. The cable charger is basically same as the other one. So for example, let's go ahead and plug it in here, and so you guys can see how it charges. I'm gonna take this to the side, and of course it says charge to activate the first time you do that. And this is how the watch actually looks. So it looks pretty nice, not too big, not too small. Build quality also very, very impressive. I like the way it feels. The buttons also feel really nice as well. That's a shortcut button right there as well. There you go. So of course, when you're gonna plug it in to charge it, you just tap right here in the back, and it should start charging. Yeah, it's just charging, but right now since the watch is off, there you go, it's charging just like that. I'm gonna turn it on. I think I turned it off completely before I put it back in the box. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, but there you go. That's how it charges. It's gonna take this out. The belt, of course, is not a super high quality belt, but there's other belts you can get so it can fit this device. And I can see that you can easily take off the belts as well. And I believe this is like 20mm belts. And right now, like I said, this is the sensor in the back, and that's over here is the little top where you're gonna actually charge the watch, just like that. It connects via magnetic, and once you plug it in, it will actually change right away, and it gives you the information for the time, the charging percentage, and the date as well. Not bad. That's pretty good. And what I like about it is that you only are charging it like maybe once a week, or maybe a little bit over a week, because the battery power is actually pretty good. It has a, let me see, it has a 360 milliamp hour battery, so I'm actually getting around 5 days of battery life, and that's using it while sleeping as well, which is gonna, you know, add some hit to the battery. They claim you're gonna get 15 days of battery life. I don't know about that. I don't know how can you get 15 days of battery life. That's almost impossible. But the fact that I'm getting 5 days, I'm actually happy with that, because with all the other watches that I have that are more expensive than this, I'm only getting like 1 or 2 days. This, I'm actually getting 5 days, and that's using the sleeping feature and all that. So let's go and show you guys how it looks right here in the watch. You got the watch face, which is my favorite watch face right there. I think it actually looks pretty damn good. Over here you got the weather, you got the music player, and you got the pleasant, like the stress test, and here you got your sleep. I actually slept last night with this watch, and it says that I slept for 5 hours and 28 minutes. When you tap on it and you slide here with this knob right here, you can actually see a little bit more information as well. So the buttons, you click right here, and it takes you to the app, or it takes you to home screen. Over here, this is a shortcut, and the shortcut, you can actually apply any other application to it as well. Very cool. Let's take this out. And when it comes to the screen, we're going to slide this up. Right now is already, I put it all the way down right there because I was sleeping. I didn't want this to actually be so bright. But there it is. This is how it looks. The screen is actually pretty damn nice. For the price that you're paying, this is a 1.95 inches AMOLED screen that actually has 410 by 502 pixel per inch. So quality wise, the screen is actually pretty damn good. The body, I also like the body, feels really good. Of course, the wristband is not that impressive, feels kind of cheap in my opinion. But like I said, this is something that you can replace with so many wristbands on Amazon. And of course, the watch looks cool. You go and press and hold to customize the watch. Let me get, okay, there you go. So here you got these options. When you first turn it on, you actually get this watch right here, which also looks very like futuristic. And you can download some watch faces, but there's not too many watch faces. This one right here, I actually did download it from the app, and I like because it gives you a whole bunch of other information, which is very useful. You got the percentage, the blood pressure, you got the date, the steps you've been taking. So, you know, for the price that you're paying, honestly, it's not that bad. At the moment that I'm doing this video, this watch is actually available for $69.95. That's not bad. The regular price is actually $89.95, 90 bucks. But for $69.95, if you're looking for a watch that you just want to take steps, your heart rate, and you track your sleeping, this would be not bad for the price. Of course, it's not perfect. There's a whole bunch of things that I don't like about it. Like, for example, my same complaints that I had with this watch is that it doesn't have always on display. I wish it had that feature, but it doesn't. It just turns off. And to actually watch, you know, to look at the time, you have to like move your wrist. That way you can move and look at the time. And if the screen doesn't turn on, you just press the buttons. That way you can actually look at the screen. I wish it actually has always on display, but it doesn't. The other negative thing about this watch is the same negative thing I had with critique with the other watch, is that the application is not bad. You can track your scores and everything here. But when it comes to the app itself, when it comes to the status with the watches faces, there's not too many watch faces here. You know, you got my watch face here, which just says downloaded. It's still trying to connect. Okay, did it connect? Okay, now it's connected. So now you can actually see the watch faces available here. So you click right there, click right here, and then you can click right there and actually switch between watch faces. So that's, you know, that's pretty damn cool. But the problem is that there's not too many watch faces. The other options that you have are these watch faces, and that's it. Those are the only watch faces that you have available. So if I want to, for example, download this one, click right there, here, allow. I don't know why it opens this, but let's go ahead and wait for this to finish. Like you see that, you have to wait for it to actually finish. And the other negative thing I would have to say is about this is that I guess this doesn't really have too much storage in the inside. I can't find anywhere where it actually says the storage that's available in the inside, but I think there's not that much storage in the inside because you can only download like one extra watch face at a time. Like, for example, right now I'm downloading this one, and the other watch face that I showed you guys that I downloaded, it replaces that one. So you can't have this one plus another one plus another one. It just replaces whatever other watch face you downloaded. That for me is a negative as well, which I wish that was not the case. I wish I can just download all the watch faces that's available here. Like, see that? That's pretty cool. I like all the information I'm getting there. But now, if I go ahead here, right? Now I don't have the other watch face that I downloaded. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but that's the way it is here. The other thing that I don't like is that the lack of apps. This has, I don't know why, but this watch actually has less applications available than that one. I don't know why. And it's basically the same brand. So here, the popular apps, that's all you got. And it says more apps coming soon. When you click here, these are the only apps that are downloaded to the phone that you can actually uninstall. You can uninstall these 3 applications if you don't want them. But if you want to add some extra watch apps, these are the only watch apps available, which for me, it kind of sucks. I wish it had more, and I don't get it why it doesn't have the same amount of apps as that watch right there. Maybe it's because this watch is squarish and that one is rounded, and most likely the apps that are available there are not gonna look good here. Most likely that's the reason why. Other than that, there it says that there's a latest update available there on the upgrade. You got alarms, weather, fine, world clock, and basically that's it. This, like I said, right now you could get it for $70, which is not that bad. Honestly, if you're just looking for a watch that you can actually track your sleeping, you could track your steps, and you can actually track your heart rate. You can do your scanning on your heart rate, your weather. It has calculator and all that. If you're looking for a watch that has all those features, I think it's not bad for the price that you're paying, you know, for the prices they're paying. And the battery life is very, very good. And what I also like is that it's also very comfortable as well. When you use it to sleep, it does not feel heavy at all. It feels very comfortable. And that's, for me, is a big plus, because I hate sleeping with watches on my wrist. So yeah, other than that, guys, I just want to share another look at a budget watch. Like I said, I already did upload a video for this one. I hope you watched it. And 2 weeks later, almost 2 weeks later, I uploaded a video today for this one. This is the RunMeFit Watch 4. Of course, I'll leave links in my descriptions just in case you're interested in getting one of these or trying it out. Thanks for watching. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.